So, human beings have a natural tendency to improve his quality or improve the situations. That is why we all strive for quality, we all strive for more and more perfection, more and more changes. So, it is actually the spiritually says is the soul journey, and the purpose of everyone's life is to elevate ourselves spiritually into more and more energy levels and more dimensions beyond what we experience right now. So, our behavior, if we change our behavior, we understand our behavior every day and change our behavior more perfection, more positively, there's a big chance to improve our energy levels. A lot of energy is saved, a lot of energy is created. It's again an empirically derived principle or phenomenon which every one of you can interestingly notice, experience in your own life by improving your present behavior, which you find it as faulty or which you find it as to be improved. All these things, we will realize that the soul upliftment or the quality is up, and that is the purpose of life. Like that, we will realize even if it is a little bit later, but that realization or different levels of realizations comes in our life, manifest in our life when we gather more and more experience in our life. And we actually trying to dominate others. A domination or controlling others is actually our internal wisdom or intense will to control ourselves, to dominate ourselves. If we are totally under our own control, we are totally under our own wisdom, we don't have any desire to control others. We will not have any desire or any motivation or compulsion to dominate others. It's all focusing your energy or the demand of a requisition of focusing your energy towards yourself. Another empirically derived principle is that experiences is most valuable for everyone. Whatever be the information, whatever be the knowledge we are having or we accumulated, finally our experiences will prove whether it is right or wrong. Our experiences support us with a big energy, with a solid energy to accept truth, whether that truth is known to us or whether the truth is already known to us, or it's it's a faulty thing, or it's just a fictitious one, or it is out of our reality, or whatever may be. The real experience teaches the reality beyond our thinking, beyond our conclusions we made earlier. So, experience is the most important thing. All these practices, all these actions we need to or we are intent to do have enough time to manifest. I mean, before every action we do, before every decision we make, there is enough time to rethink whether the action has to be done, whether this has to be believed, whether this decision has to be taken or not, all these things. That shows that we have enough freedom. We are not utilizing that energy of freedom. If everyone is intent to take a decision or an action with proper understanding of the action, proper timing, proper preparation before we decide or initiating an action, we can save a lot of energy and we can save a lot of mistakes. We can save ourselves. Socializations and healing, relationships and healing, or relationship and energy levels, which we deal later. Right now, the healing properties of socialization and relationship. Some of the relationship will make us complex. Some of the relationship will make us ease and comfort, resolve our life issues, give us a fresh energy to move on, and it will motivate us. This again depends upon the different state of belief system and different system levels of experiences and life we contact. Socialization and exchange of empowerment repeatedly will generate healings. For example, a group of people can empower or make positive affirmation on others. For example, myself can make positive affirmation totally detached, in the state of totally detachment for you, so that it will work for you, because it's a sacrifice. Not only because of sacrifice, there is only a positive intention, and we all human beings are made for each other. We need to serve each other. Hello. It's very wonderful to notice that the nature, the universe, and the planetary system or solar system or entire galaxy always are in the make of new patterns of energy. It is very evident that we have shift in our energy levels, we have shift in our attitude levels, in our behavior, and in our knowledge, information management, and processing. Everywhere we have a shift unconsciously, and we ever never imagined or dreamed that we will that for example the mobile phone will be in use in such a wide quantity and in such a wide popular way. There is a shift in our consciousness or shift in our energy level to think in the modernized way or to develop and use modernized equipments or tools for our life. Likewise, we ourselves are also tempted to create new and new energies by trying different things, but most of the time we fail because there is no solid base or solid system behind that new creation. If that creation, your energy creation, is based on an established mind in deep silence and deep space, definitely we will be succeeded in new projects or new creation of projects. Any ideas or any projects is the creation of new energies only. Through creation of new energies only, we are able to create that or manifest that new projects.